Welcome to this series, which is the last series of this copywriting series. So if you have not watched the series 1 and 2, go back to watch it. You can just scroll down this channel to find out about the other series. As I've said in the last series, I said this series is going to be teaching you how to create your offer. Okay, because a lot of persons tend to believe that your offer is all about bonuses. Okay, you think that your offer is about stacking up bonuses, ebooks, videos, and the rest of it to make more persons buy from you. No, you are wrong. Okay, your offer is very important when it comes to copywriting. You can have a weak copy and a strong offer and still sell. But when you have a weak offer and a strong copy, you will not sell. Nobody will buy from you. Because the difference between a marketer and a copywriter is the creation of offer. A copywriter sells offer while a marketer sells products. All right, so you as a copywriter, you need to be able to create irresistible offers that would make people feel like, if I don't get this thing now, I'm going to miss out a lot. So it is important for you to be able to create offers. Creating offers can times 10 your sales. Okay, it can make you have double conversion. All right, so I need you to know that your offer is not just about bonuses. And also, even when you're giving bonus, you don't give bonus that is not related to your product, because your bonus is meant to complement your offer. Your bonus is meant to complement the main product. Okay, so your bonus must you don't give a bonus that is not related to the main product. For example, you're selling a phone and the bonus you are giving me is for example, you are giving me biro or you are giving me book. It's not as if I don't make use of book or biro, but it's not related to what you're selling. Okay, you are selling television and your bonus is goats. No, it's not related. So you need to give offers or bonuses that are related to your product. So what are the things that encompasses your offer? Number one is your guarantee. Now, you need to make your reader feel like, okay, if I buy this thing, you need to lift the burden off their shoulder. You need to make them feel at ease. You need to make them feel at peace for buying from you. You don't want them to feel like, if I buy this thing and it does not work, I would be at fault or blame themselves and the rest of it. You need to give them a guarantee. Your guarantee can be a money back guarantee, or maybe you give them a free service for maybe 3 months, 6 months, and the rest of it. So they feel like, okay, if anything happens, there is still hope for me. All right, they don't want to feel at fault. So your guarantee is very important. All right, the next one you want to pay attention to is your bonus, and I've explained how to create bonus. You need to put up bonuses that are related. You're selling phone, give charger as your bonus. All right, give charger as your bonus. Make sure, or you're selling generator, let your bonus be free engine oil or maybe free full tank of petroleum. So you need to understand that your bonus must complement your main products. You don't want to sell gari and then you are giving me rice as your bonus. No, you don't do that. All right, so another thing, I will give you other things you need to pay attention to make up an irresistible offer. Number one is urgency and scarcity. It's part of your offer. A lot of persons don't know this. It's part of your offer. Urgency and scarcity. You need to make people know that if you are not taking action now, then you are missing out. If you are not taking action now, then you are missing out. If you are not taking action now, you won't get this offer anymore. You need to add urgency. Okay, I'm selling t-shirts, but if you want to buy this t-shirt for just 5,000 naira instead of 10,000 naira, you need to pay now because I am having only just 2 t-shirts. Okay, and you need to be careful when you are giving scarcity and urgency. You don't want to lie, because lying will hurt your brand. For example, you are telling me that this bonus is going to end tomorrow, and then next tomorrow you are still giving me the same bonus. It's going to hurt your brand. All right, so you want to be honest when you are giving offer and bonuses. All right, and also scarcity, and urgency. Okay, don't just give fake FOMO. FOMO means the fear of missing out. Don't make people be afraid of missing out just in vain, all right, so that they can take you seriously the next time. The second one is social proof and testimonial. Social proof and testimonial. Now, I will give you the differences between social proof and testimonial. Testimonial is what people are saying, that is, people who have bought your product, what they are saying, what your product have done for them, what they are saying about your products. That's what testimonials is. They are telling you, okay, I buy this book and I've been able to read this book and I've been able to make so amount of money after reading this book or after implementing what I learned from this book. That's testimonials. While social proof is like a recommendation from people above you. For example, you want to sell a book, and then somebody like Tony Omotosho, Oloye Akinlabi is giving you a recommendation that this book is very great. This is my protege. You can learn from him. That is social proof, not testimonial. So this also is part of your offer. If you have a good social proof, I imagine somebody like Tony Omotosho is recommending you that yes, this product is very good. That's a very good social proof you can leverage on. All right, so all these things are also part of your offer, and also your CTA, which is your call to action. You want to be very specific in your call to action. You don't just want to tell people buy now, click here, jump on this, and you know, all these weak call to action. They are very weak. They are call to action, yes, but they are very weak. You can compare that to get this discount offer now. You are making them, you are giving them what they are already thinking. For example, your offer is that you are giving people a discount. Okay, your offer is that you are giving people a discount. Now you want to tell them, they are already thinking, I want to get this discount offer. I don't want to miss out on this discount offer. So your call to action would be, get this discount offer now, or I want this offer now. I am interested in this product. I want to buy XYZ product. So tell them, give them a call to action of what they are already thinking. That's copywriting. I said before that copywriting has to do with psychology. You need to understand, when you are writing what people are already thinking, it increases your conversion. So these are part of your offer creation. These are the things that encompasses in offer creation, in irresistible offer, not just bonuses. So you want to consider all these things, and also your payment method is also important. Your payment method is also important in your offer. Okay, maybe how are they paying? Is it just through bank transfer? Is it just their card? Or you want to make the payments easy for them? They can use bank transfer, they can use their card. You want to make it very easy for them. All right. Also, how are you going to deliver your product is also important. There are some products or information products that is best delivered in video format. If you deliver them in form of ebook, it will reduce your conversion, because the best format to deliver such products is video, and some it's ebook. So how are you going to deliver your product? Or in case you're selling a physical product, how is your delivery? Are they paying on delivery? Are they paying before delivery? All these things are things you want to put into consideration. All right, all these things are things you want to put into consideration. So you need to take these things into consideration when you are creating offer. All right, so quickly, if you want to know more about copywriting, I have a course by my own mentor, my coach, somebody that I really trust, the person that is really living what he teaches. All right, he is preaching, he is doing what he preaches. His name is Dolapo Hamzat. You can Google about him, make research about him. He earns about $10,000 monthly. So he has created one of the very good courses that will teach you step by step how to write compelling copies, how to become a great copywriter that earn nothing less than $200 to $1,000 every month. Check the description of this video to actually to get the course. All right, check the description of this video to get the course. Presently, the course sells for just 40,000 naira. You can get the course for just 40,000 naira. So check the description and get the course. It's going to help your journey as a copywriter. See you in the future.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the copywriting series, and I hope you've learned a lot. So he really took his time to break down a lot of things in video 1, video 2, and video 3. So if you haven't watched this video, make sure you watch them. You will see it around the screen. Make sure you watch it. It's very, very, very important so that you can become a great copywriter. And he have made mention of his boss course. This course will teach you a lot of things about copywriting. I recommend it. You can check the video description, click the link there, and get the course for yourself. See you inside.